Congratulations on completing the course. Now that you have a solid grasp on empowering modern teaching and learning lifecycle by leveraging generative AI, or Gen AI, you'll discover numerous opportunities to further your learning and apply your newly acquired skills. Before moving ahead, let's recap the key concepts you learned throughout this course. Gen AI has reshaped the education lifecycle, providing a more holistic approach to teaching that values creativity, critical thinking, and personal growth alongside traditional academic achievements. Gen AI enhanced personalized learning transforms learners' learning experience, allowing them to adapt various learning paths, encouraging deep conceptual understanding, and enabling customizing learning paths and learning materials based on learners' interests, preferences, and goals. An instructional design lifecycle involves the popular ADDIE model, which stands for analyzing, designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating the learning materials. Gen AI is useful during each phase to support creating learning content, strategies, and frameworks. Educators can evaluate Gen AI tools based on the 5 principles: pedagogical value, privacy and security, implementation context, ease of use, and cost and resources. You can select Gen AI tools by knowing your requirements, identifying options for tools, evaluating those options, trying the tools before committing, and finally, deciding on the tools. To leverage the full potential of Gen AI tools, such as ChatGPT, you should write effective prompts by defining the learning objectives and understanding learners' requirements. Gen AI tools, such as Microsoft's Immersive Reader and Text Helps Read and Write, support learners with special needs. They can convert text into multilingual audio and vice versa. You've learned that integrating AI into the education lifecycle is based on 3 principles: purpose-driven integration, gradual integration, and workflow integration. You can integrate AI into lesson planning, content delivery, creating assessments, feedback collection, and various other administrative tasks. You also learned that following best practices for data analysis, such as maintaining data quality, using consistent data collection processes, establishing data protection and privacy strategies, and using data visualization techniques, is essential. However, the ethical framework ensures the responsible use of Gen AI in education by promoting transparency, fairness, accountability, inclusivity, and data privacy. Best practices, such as involving stakeholder involvement, auditing, securing data, and regularly monitoring data, are essential for the ethical use of Gen AI. Ethical challenges such as bias, data privacy, and AI accountability require proactive measures such as diverse training data, safe storage, and transparent policies. You've now reviewed some of the fundamental concepts covered in this course. Remember to go through the glossaries in this course to review the key terms discussed and their definitions. This course includes hands-on labs, a storyline interactivity, and a final project. By completing the labs, you gained practical exposure to the following topics: content generation workshop, video generation workshop using Synthesia, lesson plan development, assessment development workshop, ethics case studies, storyline activity, navigating ethical AI dilemmas. You can also share the final project as an example to showcase your skills to potential employers. We encourage you to enroll in the Generative AI for Educators specialization, of which this course is a part, if you have not already. You can complete this professional certificate in about 2 to 3 months, depending on your schedule and the number of courses you take. If you wish to continue your Generative AI and education journey, you may want to consider the following courses: IT Support Professional Certificate, Generative AI Fundamental Specialization, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, AI, People and Soft Skills for Professional and Personal Success Specialization, Generative AI, Foundation Models and Platforms, Generative AI, Impact, Considerations, and Ethical Issues. If interested, the links to these programs are in the Congratulations and Next Steps reading at the end of this course. We recommend that you continue implementing the concepts learned in this course in your empowering modern education using Gen AI journey. We hope these principles will hone your skills and help you advance in your career. Congratulations on completing this course. We appreciate your participation in this learning journey and wish you the very best.